Hello, this is Tosh Tyres. I've got a Honda CRV here. It's owned by Sherry. Just came in to reset his tyre pressure light. I'm just going to show you how it's done. That's the tyre size and that's the pressure right there. So he's adjusted it already. But just wanted to know how to reset the tyre pressure warning light, which is just right there. Now to do it, you got to use these functions right here. Press the up button and get onto the display. Press the reset button, select reset, then scroll down, go onto set, initialize. There we go, that's all completed. So that's all you got to do. Just go into the menu and do what you got to. If you want to go back, just press the arrow button up and down, press select, go up. That's it, job done. That's all you got to do on the CRV. If there is any more information, please do let me know and we'll try helping you out. And please do subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.